everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to be working on an 8x20 canvas. I've already placed a base layer of white paint on here. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do today, but let's get started. I still have no idea what I'm going to do. I just thought I'd start with some puddle pours. I seem to be one of those people that can never get perfect circles when I do my puddle pours. I don't know how people do it, but I just can't seem to get the hang of it. This paint right here seems to be a little bit thick. There's no silicone mixed in these paints, so I probably won't get any cells. I'm not really going for cells today, so that's okay. I'm going to hit this with a torch because I see a lot of air bubbles. Let's tilt this a little bit. It's actually looking pretty cool. I'm thinking I could actually go a couple ways with this now. I can do some swirls, which I happen to be really getting into lately, or I could do a balloon smash, or I could do some swirls and a balloon smash. I think I'll start with some swirls and see what happens. To do my swirls, I use the back of a paintbrush handle. Some people do use a skewer, but I find the skewer drags across the canvas, where the back of a paintbrush handle is very rounded and smooth and it just glides across easily. I have different size brush handles to use. Let's try something with that. I'm seeing some more bubbles since I opened. Well, that looks cool. Gotta say I'm liking that. To me, there's something calming about swirling the paint. The colors that I'm using will be listed in the video description. I'll use a bigger brush, see what I get. I think I'm going to add a little bit of paint in here. I like that. Just looking to see where else I want to go on here. I think I'm seeing a couple places where I'd like to try a balloon smash. I hope I don't end up ruining this because of it, but let's just try it anyway. I'm really not liking that, so maybe that was a bad idea. Let me see if I can do anything to fix this, because I don't like that. So yeah, that was a negative on the balloon smash. I'll just stick with my twirls. I really like them. They're relaxing. What I like about these two is you can add paint where you think you need it. Just tilting this a little bit to make sure I got paint going to the sides. It's going to stretch out the swirls somewhat. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right there. I'm really liking this. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. I put out a video every Monday for sure. Stay tuned for close-ups. See you next time. Bye.